Hi guys, this is Yuk from Big Faction. So today we will learn about step-by-step program on Amazon.in. You might have noticed that some sellers are doing great on Amazon and some haven't reached their true potential. A big reason can be because they are not using Amazon's step-by-step program. Step is a performance-linked program which helps all Amazon sellers to deliver better customer experience and drive growth as well as rewards with benefits based on their performance. As a part of Step, sellers are provided guidance to improve their performance and grow their business. Currently, there are 4 seller levels: Basic, Standard, Advanced, and Premium. All sellers on Amazon start with Standard and move up or down based on their performance. Sellers are classified into one of these levels based on their performance in a 3-month period. The metrics on which the performance of a seller is evaluated are total cancellation rate, total late dispatch rate, seller controllable return rate, out of stock rate, etc. Every level has a defined threshold for each of these metrics. Sellers need to meet the criteria of all the metrics for a level to be classified under the corresponding level benefits. Sellers are rewarded with benefits based on their level. These benefits include guaranteed account management support, shipping fee discounts, free A+ cataloging, invite to Amazon Seller Connect, and many more. Sellers can track their performance and know about their benefits by visiting the Step dashboard. Click on Step under the Performance tab in Seller Central to view the Step dashboard. Track your progress and enjoy a variety of benefits as you grow. For any questions or feedbacks on the Step dashboard, you can mail Amazon at step-info@amazon.com. These are the benchmarks of the metrics. As you can see, this particular seller is in advanced level, and if he or she moves up to premium, some of the benefits are guaranteed account management, priority seller support, 3-day payment reserve period. This particular seller currently has benefits such as up to 12 rupees off on weight handling charges, 20% off on lightning deal fees, 3,500 rupees worth of free service provider network credits. To know more about Step, you can go to Know More tab, and these are some of the questions which has been pre-answered for you. Sellers can improve their metrics by following the recommendations. Step helps you to reach on top of your growth ladder and live the life of your dreams. With Step, sellers too can take their business to the next level and have a happy time selling on Amazon. And for sellers who are on advanced and premium levels, they get a 3,500 rupees credit on Amazon, which is free. You can redeem the credits through availing any of the services from Big Faction by filling the form given in the description below. Let me show you how to redeem your credits. By clicking the link given in the description, you can view this page. To get the form link, click here alongside the free SPN credits. Give your merchant ID, name, contact number, email ID. Select one of the services you wish to avail the credits on. Select the service provider. Here, I have selected Big Faction Consultancy Private Limited. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Submit. Congratulations, you have redeemed your free network credits. So, for more content like this, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell. Until the next video, improve your performance and get benefits. Thank you.